What is going on, guys? It's your boy back at it again with another POV drive, man. Right now we're actually headed to Dick's. I figure why not bring you guys with me. I gotta go buy some turf shoes because I've been, coaching with my regular shoes and I just been completely destroying them. So I'm just gonna go buy some turf shoes right now real quick, and then I gotta go ahead and go to coach a practice. So how you guys doing though? Hope you guys are doing good. I was away for the weekend for my girlfriend's birthday. We went to Washington DC, and yeah, we just really were vibing, and just it was mostly for her. She wanted to go to a vineyard, so we went like wine tasting, and then we also went to the Bible Museum. And what else we did? I think that's really it. We walked around, we went out to a restaurant, a couple things here and there. But I did miss you guys, man. I missed the 440,000. I couldn't wait to be back, and yeah, we're back. Actually, I came back yesterday, and then this morning I actually had a detail scheduled, so I went and did that, and now I'm gonna go do some coaching, man. We hustling, man. YouTube, work, everything, man. So if you guys are new, of course, subscribe, drop it a like, comment, do all that. You guys have actually been doing so good lately. I don't know if it's just YouTube hooking the boy out because we recently hit 5K subscribers, or is this that you guys are really enjoying the POV drives. I'm hoping that is that you guys are enjoying the POV drives, but yeah, man. So last time we went to the city with A-Man and the G80,000, it was so much fun. If you guys didn't check that video out, you definitely should check that video out after this, of course. It was a really good time. The only one we were missing was JD, but talking about JD, I'm actually gonna go pick him up tonight from the airport because he was in Dominican Republic. So maybe he'll come on the next drive with us, and then we can have all three of us, the gang, back outside. So yeah, but the car feels good. We're gonna test out that light thingy again today. Last time when I went to the city with A-Man, I had no issues, no problems whatsoever. Didn't turn on the light or anything like that. So let's see today. I mean, I don't know, but first things first, I definitely gotta go get some shoes because right now I'm literally in my Crocs, because I figured I'd buy some shoes right now and then I can just wear them right after I buy them. But the car feels good. It's pretty warm, so we can actually go ahead and put it into sport. I guess we can test it out now as we drive there, see if we get any codes, any funny business. But so far, I mean, the car feels amazing. And I know I made a post. If you guys are not following me on Instagram, I don't know what you're doing, but I made a post on like, oh, I'm selling the 440,000, who will buy it? And a lot of you guys were like, oh, how much? But I don't think any of you guys are serious, and I don't even know if I'm serious myself, because like I would like to sell it, but only to get a new car, guys. It's not like I'm gonna go away. I just want a newer car, that's all. But the 440,000 is so good, man. The payments on it is so low that, I don't know if I want to commit into making like a over $1,000 payment on a car, and that's not even counting insurance. But it could be something good as well. Like if I get something really nice and you guys really enjoy the car and it does well on YouTube, it might be a good thing. But it could also be the opposite, where like I thought it was gonna do good and it doesn't. Now I'm stuck with like over $1,000 payment on a car, thinking that YouTube was gonna help me out and you guys would enjoy the car. But yeah, so I'm kinda don't know right now, but I definitely want a new car, guys. That's still in the process. The car market is down right now on used cars, so that's why I figured like, oh, why not try to get a new car now that the car market is a little funny, But I don't know, I really enjoy the 440,000, and I know you guys like the 440,000. But let me know if I should sell the car and get myself an M, or just keep the 440,000. And yeah, I don't know, just keep the 440,000 and just try to mod it more, you know what I mean? That's what I really want to do. But let me know what you guys think, which one you guys think would be a better business idea. But car feels good. I need to be quick though, because I have oh god, I did not see that light. Did you guys? Yeah, I do have practice at 4:30. It's about to be 4, so I need to run into Dick's here real quick and then come back out real fast. But yeah, I mean, everything's Gucci, man. Everything's Gucci. We're right next to the gym I actually go to, LA Fitness. I actually haven't been there in a little while. I've just been so busy, bro. Like, I've been getting clients to detail cars, and then I have the coaching gig, and then traveling and videos. It's hard, bro, doing all that, but I will see today if I have some energy right after work. If I got some energy, I'll try to take it kind of easy today at work, at practice. If I have some energy, I'll head to the gym right after. But let me also, guys, let me know if you guys kind of like these longer kind of videos, in terms of like, I don't want to cut the videos too much, man. I want you guys to like just get me, like the raw me, you know what I'm saying? I feel like we can, like, people connect better like that than just adding a whole bunch of effects, adding a whole bunch of sounds, adding a whole bunch of transitions. It's not like genuine, you know what I mean? At least from my you know, point of view. But let me know if you guys just want me to cut a whole bunch of stuff out, or just kind of leave and just, you guys can kind of just vibe with me, bro. Really, that way you guys see what your boy Sticks be up to on a daily basis. I did tell you I'm gonna start recording a lot more, so I'm taking you guys literally everywhere, bro. Like right now I'm taking you out to Dick's. As a matter of fact, I'm bringing the camera, and I'm taking you guys in there as well. So, but we are here. I'm gonna go ahead and park up, and let's walk into Dick's, bro. Where's this guy going? Look at this. Look at this dude. Not even pay the parking, bro. Trying to be slick. It's not even the exit, but they don't want to pay the parking, so they just come in through the entrance way. I don't even know if I look like an idiot with this GoPro on my forehead, but if I do, I really don't care. Look at the 440,000, looking beautiful, clean, dirty, everything. And I'm here in my Crocs, chilling. What the heck is going on? Damn, look at the 440,000, yeah. Yo, so fire, bro. I love that thing. I love that thing, man. I'm really just gonna mind my business, you guys. You guys can be my hands. Look, I'm really gonna just mind my business, keep my head down, because I know people are just gonna be looking, bro. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. Bro, what's up with these shoes, bro? Literally everybody and their moms be wearing these things. I don't know what the heck. Oh, well, it's mostly the old heads, but yeah, it's literally everywhere. I don't really know. At first I thought it was some expensive shoes, but nah, it's literally everywhere. What brand is that anyway? Which one we looking at? I'm looking for like black ones, really. I don't want anything too fancy, you know what I'm saying? Damn, this only there. I only got 2 options. So we got these right here. Those. How I go back, bro? Or what the heck? I saw another pair. These. In a white? No, definitely not white, bro. My white shoes be getting filthy. All right, no, I'm gonna just get the black ones. All right, guys. Bag secured. Look at it right here. I'm actually rushing now. I'm gonna be late. Oh shit, I need that just in case I need to return these things. Look at them right here. Let me know what you think down below. But now the boy Sticks has to run to practice, because now I'm late because the guy was taking forever. Anyways, that's gonna be it. Quick little video for y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe, man. Stay tuned for more. I'll see you guys in the next one, baby. Let's go.